Hello everyone, today I will be giving you guys a demo of the Nutanix Collector desktop application. I have downloaded the Mac variant of the Collector application. Similarly, there are also variants on Linux and Windows. We can gather data from various different types of environments. On the on-prem side, we support Nutanix Prism, VMware vCenter, and Microsoft Hyper-V. We also support capacity workloads of NetApp, ONTAP, and Microsoft SQL Server. We have expanded our support to public cloud collection with AWS and Azure. However, these two features are currently limited to our CLI variant only. For the purpose of this demo, I will be running a collection on vCenter. For running the vCenter collection, you need to input a few details. First is the IP address of the vCenter and the read-only credentials for that particular environment. I have gone ahead and input the IP address, the read-only username, as well as the password, and I will hit the connect button. As the first step, the Nutanix Collector will scan the vCenter environment to look for data centers and clusters. This will take some time. Once this is done, you will see the list of all data centers that is available in your environment. And you can select specific environments on which or specific data centers that you want to run the collection on. You can expand different data centers to see what all clusters are there. For the purpose of this demo, I will be carrying out my collection on only this Caret DC cluster. Again, this will take some time depending on the size of your environment, but you can run the collector and go about with your day. Once the collection is complete, you will see all the data collected on this UI screen. This has 3 tabs: the cluster summary, host summary, and VM summary. The cluster summary aggregates the data across all the clusters in your environment. You will see aggregate metrics like CPU, memory, and storage utilization, as well as the time series data. If you go to the host summary, you can select a specific host on which you want to see the overall data. And again, it will give you some information about the host server itself, things like the model, CPU speed, the number of CPUs, and so on, and also the performance metrics over a period of time. Similarly, when you go to the VMs, you will see an aggregate capture of all the VMs in the environment, as well as the performance data. One interesting thing that we have is VM provisioning status, from which you can identify whether a VM is right-sized, under-provisioned, or over-provisioned. However, this visibility is only present on the collector portal. Now, the output from the Nutanix collection can be stored as 2 formats. The first one is a .zip file, which is an encrypted file that can only be opened by the Nutanix collector portal. The second output format is an Excel file which anybody can look at. From a security perspective, one of the key features that we have in Excel is that we are able to mask sensitive information before we save. If you do select the masking option, you will see various fields such as data center name, cluster name, and so on being masked. Hence, if you hand over this Excel to anybody else, this will ensure that you are not giving them any sensitive information. We will talk more about the collector portal as well as the zip file in the next video. Thank you.